Okay, let me put more. I guess I'm gonna put more in then.
She like begged me to take videos of her. Now she's gonna regret it. No. What's wrong? What's wrong? Your teeth are there, La.
Did you go to the store?
What?
Did you go to the store?
No.
What is that for her?
Well, no, I gotta get my smoothie.
Let's eat your smoothie. Get closer, I'm scared.
He's got a referral.
I want to do it.
Well, then do it.
I want to do it.
Where's your other hand? There you go.
Don't ever drink alcohol. Okay.
Oh.
What? You can't drink it?
Oh, you shoved paper in my face.
What? Okay.
What is this?
That's your lip.
What is it? Right here.
That's your mouth.
It's your mouth.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you okay? Are you gonna throw up?
I'm so what?
Oh, Lord, we should have kept her there longer. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Fred, stop. Stop.
I'm trying to swallow. I need a spitting cup.
Okay.
Really?
Okay, bye.